GM, guys. As you can see here, there are some new tasks here on the Pharos network season 2. Okay, you can see RWAFI, stake, Bitcoin bridge, CFD trading. So today we're going to look at real world asset finance. That's actually what this means. Okay, click on deposits. Now it takes you to this web page. Okay, so first of all, connect your wallet. Alright, so we've successfully connected our wallet to this platform. Okay, so this is actually one of the partners of the Pharos network, Aquaflux. Alright, so you can see this is they're just trying to explain what their token is about: the Tri token journey, the principal token, the coupon token, and the safety token. All these things they're about to show us. So let's dive in. So they show us unlock the Lego bricks of yield. You choose one of this. So let's choose the higher percentage. I hear they say that we have successfully splitted these tokens. Okay, so after splits, we now have the P token. As you can see here, the P token is engineered for stability and security. It acts as the bedrock of assets. We do not blah, blah, blah. Then the coupon token is the yield component. Okay, it gives you a consistent cash flow stream. I don't know what this means though. Then you click on activate shield, the S token. So literally there are 3 tokens in their whole ecosystem. And that's literally what we are doing. So now you've collected all 3 bricks with principal, coupon, and safety in hand. You can now assemble your ultimate build. So click on craft my first combo and it will take you here. So in this combo crafting, there are like 3 combos: the fortress, which is the principal token plus the C, that's the coupon token; the balancer, which is the principal token plus the safety token; and the yield hunter, which is the coupon token and the safety token. Okay, so literally what they're trying to say is that all these things, these combinations, help you get more rewards in whatever they're doing. Like you can hear, like here you can see, combine the principal token and coupon token to reconstruct the original bond. This is your bedrock strategy, and same as balancer, balanced operation. A balanced approach to growth. Protect your principal with P token, and then the yield hunter too. Okay, so just for the sake of this, I'm just going to go with the middle one, the balancer, craft strategy. And here I won't bother changing this. I don't even know if it's possible. Okay, it's not really possible to change it, so just confirm and craft. Alright, strategy crafted successfully. Okay, so now you can actually craft if you want, like you click on craft another, but we'll come back to that later. Okay, so now click on claim your rewards and it takes you to the last part of it. Like, all right, congratulations, your journey is complete. You can now claim your Aquaflux NFT, guys. And that NFT, literally we've minted like 3 NFTs already on the Pharos network, and this is one more to add to the whole collection. Okay, so what you do next is hold composite tokens. You need at least 100 composition, and if you remember in the last place, we actually have up to 100 of these guys that we just converted. Okay, and you can see we have verified that we have up to 100 of any of those tokens. I don't know what they mean. Then for you to get a premium NFT, enable this. You can go on to just claim the NFT, but to get a premium version of it, just enable this. And then you see, you just have to follow them on X. Now you verify that you followed them, and now we have verified that we follow them on X. Okay, then claim NFT, and boom, guys, we've successfully claimed the Aquaflux premium on the Pharos network. As you can see, this NFT certifies you as an early explorer of the Aquaflux, potentially granting special privileges in the future. Okay, so I don't know, it's not fungible, as you know, but it could come in handy in the future. All right, so if you want to see how we go about other tasks on other new tasks on the season 2 of the Pharos Airdrop, go check my other videos.